Hi everyone, welcome to Like Mother Like Daughter. I'm Twila. I am a little bit under the weather, so we are not going to be my face on the video. This is my Bulu box for the month of January. Let's see what's in it. Bulu Box is a monthly subscription. It is $10 a month. I get the original Bulu Box. They also have a weight loss box. I do have a coupon code. If you're interested, you can use coupon code LMLD 5.99 and it'll get you your Bulu Box for $5.99 for the life that you have the subscription. Okay, here's what's in here. They usually have, let's see, informational cards, coupons, hello. Okay, here's the first thing, and it says it is acid eating. Is acid eating into your life? Alkalizing multi-mineral dietary supplement powder. So it looks like I have a mango flavored one and a lemon flavored one. And this helps our bodies maintain a pH balance of acid and alkaline. So there's that. I have, it looks like a sample pack of the Vital for You zinc and vitamin B12 for immune support, and it is a citrus flavored. So there we go. There are two of them. You can just drink straight from this little pouch here. I have tried the vitamin, or not the vitamin C, but I have drank the Vital for You energy before, and I like the Vital for You brand. I wish they would come up with a protein pack. The next thing in here are some good wipes in my bag swag. So this is a lavender body wipe. It says it is alcohol and paraben free, natural tea tree oil. I don't know if you can see that. One really big hypoallergenic wipe. So that's nice to use, like keep that in your bag when you work out. You can wipe your body off after you're done working out if you have some place to go before you go home. The next thing in here looks like two plant-fueled protein bars. So we have one in peanut butter cup and we have one in glazed donut flavor. 12 grams. I don't know if you can see that very clearly. 12 grams, non-GMO, 180 calories and 190 calories. I like having these in my bag for when I travel. I also like having these at my desk for when I get hungry for a snack. I know I'm eating something healthy, and I like that this says it's plant-based, plant-fueled, so good to have. The last thing we have in here, interesting. This is a, first thing I see on here, it says dissolvable protein scoops. The original compo pack. So it's whey protein, 20 grams. There is a vanilla and a chocolate. There's the vanilla and the chocolate. And if I'm reading that right, dissolvable, the little pouch is dissolvable. Let's see. Can I throw the entire scoop with the clear film into my bottle? Yes, it dissolves. So don't tear it open. Just toss it into your bottle, shake it up, and it dissolves instantly. That's fabulous. How many calories? 90? 90 calories? There you go. For people who travel, these things are going to be fabulous. Perfect. So this was everything in my box for January. I do pay for this box. There was a sale over a year ago that they had where if you used the code, it was $5 for the life of your box. So although it's a $10 subscription and I have a coupon code for $5.99, I do only pay $5 because I've been getting it for so long. And I used that coupon code back then. So I'm looking forward to trying all of those things in that box. I love my Bulu box. I feel like I always get my $5 worth, and they always have great things to try. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. Have a great day. Come back and see us again. Mwah!